This is a conclusions question and we have to find a conclusion that is best supported from the statements in the argument. There is no conclusion in the argument and the missing link is not required. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should be duly deducible from the information presented in the argument without any assumption or extrapolation. Answer choice A. The argument mentions that not all multicellular aquatic life depends on dissolved oxygen. And then the argument gives examples of a complex parasite from the Mediterranean Sea and 3 species of Lucifera from a location that has hydrogen-rich water. However, the argument makes no suggestion regarding the location in the Mediterranean Sea, which is related to the first example, and the location of the hydrogenic rich water, which is related to the second example. So this answer choice, which states that the location in the Mediterranean Sea was not the one with hydrogen-rich waters, this piece of information cannot be inferred from the argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. The argument mentions that not all multicellular aquatic life depends on dissolved oxygen, and then it gives examples of complex parasite and some species of Lucifera. So it can be inferred that if a particular water body is analyzed to have no dissolved oxygen, it does not necessarily indicate that there is no complex life in that water body. In other words, a thorough analysis of a water body's dissolved oxygen levels is not sufficient to establish beyond doubt that the water body contains no complex life. So this piece of information can be inferred from the argument. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. The argument mentions that 3 species of Lucifera have been found in a particular location, and these species derive their energy from the hydrogen-rich water by using hydrogenosomes. However, the argument makes no suggestion regarding all species of Lucifera. However, the argument doesn't suggest anything about all species of Lucifera in general. So it cannot be inferred that Lucifera are able to exist in any hydrogen-rich environment. Also note that the term any is extreme in nature and you need to be cautious of such answer choices on the GMAT. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. The argument discusses multicellular aquatic life and dissolved oxygen. However, the argument makes no suggestion regarding complex life on gas giant planets. So this piece of information which talks about complex life existing on gas giant planets, this answer choice cannot be established. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. The argument mentions that Lucifera do not depend on dissolved oxygen. So it can be inferred that the remains of Lucifera may not show any evidence of having fed on substances that require dissolved oxygen. However, the lack of dissolved oxygen in the remains of Lucifera does not necessarily establish that the Lucifera fed only on substances that had not been produced through the use of dissolved oxygen. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.